everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I'm here today to share some real awesome news with you, things that are going to be happening in my Stampin' Up business and offers that I'm going to be bringing as a way of giving back to those who shop with me. So, first of all, if you enjoy my tutorials and you'll like watching my channel, please do click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. It'll be round about down there somewhere in the description box, because then you will keep up to date with my tutorials, which I do upload very frequently, and I share a vast variety of things as well. Okay, I film in real time, there's no editing, and you know, if I make mistakes I share with you how to put them right. So I'm a very real crafter. So yeah, please do subscribe, and then you can enjoy what I do. The other thing that I'm going to be doing is super exciting. It's the beginning of the Stampin' Up year. Our year runs from the 1st of October right through till September next year. And one thing that we've got coming up is World Card Day, and that is on October the 5th. So I am doing a special offer for anybody who shops with me between now, Monday the 1st of October, and the 5th of October, which is Saturday, at 9 PM. If you shop online with me and your order is £50 or over, I'm going to refund you your postage. Okay, it's a special limited time offer, as I say, from the 1st to the 5th, and it's exclusive to me. It's not a Stampin' Up offer. This is an offer with me as an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I'm going to refund you that £4.95. I do this offer from time to time for my customers, so that they can take full advantage of the Stampin' Up goodies and not feel constrained by the postage. Or perhaps you've already put an order in and you want to sneak an extra one in. You've got until the 5th, and I can refund it via PayPal or direct bank transfer, whichever you prefer. Okay, so another offer that I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to do this every month throughout the whole of the next Stampin' Up year. Okay, I actually started it last month, but I didn't make a big song and a dance about it. Now, when we do our hostess codes, the code that you use when you order with us, most orders typically will also, as well as collecting those Stampin' Rewards together, which all the demonstrators use to give you your gifts. Those that do give gifts, not all of them do. That's how it goes towards helping fund it. Now, what also happens typically is that workshop order will accumulate a 50% off item. Now, what some demonstrators do is they will purchase these items and keep them and save them up all year long. And when they need to hit a personal goal or something that for themselves, they will do a huge giveaway. Now, I'm going to be doing this every single month. It's not for myself for any personal goal reasons or to up my sales or anything. It's there. It's a 50% off, so I'm going to gift that every month to one of my customers. If I could give it to you all, I would. So one of my customers is going to be picked at random. It's not a giveaway. You don't have to answer any questions. It's not a raffle. There's no tickets. There's no points. I'm just going to pick somebody to get an extra gift from me. Okay, so one person a month. So I will be purchasing this, and one person will get an extra gift. And in October it's going to be this, a wish for everything, because I've already ordered it and I've already paid for it, which is a 38-piece stamp set. It's just a little extra something that I can do. It's not a huge expense. I'm classed as a leading demonstrator in the UK, but I will tell you that there is a big gap between what I earn and what the top demonstrators earn. A big gap. Huge. But I will do what I can and give back where I can. So I'm doing the free postage between the 1st and the 5th. That is a limited time offer. I can't do that every month, but this I can do every month. Okay, I don't know what it's going to be for November, but it's this for October. And I picked this because it's got lots of sentiments, and I thought it would mix and match with stuff you've already got. And the other thing that I am going to be doing for those who do take up on my free postage offer, between the 1st and the 5th, I have some 6x6 paper packs, so you will get one of those as well, and you will also get my normal thank you pack, which does vary depending on how much, rewards there are in the pot that month. Some months are better than others, but I always give as much as I can, and I will frequently put my own money in to make sure everybody gets something. And if there's stuff to give, I will give it. The other thing I just want to briefly touch on is my team is really growing. We have flourished. We're over 40 members now, and lots of my ladies are now starting and growing teams of their own. I'm absolutely thrilled. I put a lot of time and effort into my team. I'm very much one-on-one with all of them. I know them all. I know everybody's needs. And I do lots and lots of training and video calls, live calls, and not just weekly catch-ups. They are specific targeted training for those that want it as well. And I do believe that this has helped increase the confidence of some of my ladies, and some of them have absolutely skyrocketed. I've got quite a lot of silvers over the last 4 weeks, and I am really excited where those ladies are going. It's a lovely, friendly team. We're all meeting up in November. We're having a gala weekend away. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. We're staying in a hotel, and we're just going to see the sights. We're staying in York, which is in Yorkshire, not far from my home. It's a beautiful, beautiful city, filled with history, and we're going to get together and we're going to see the sights. We're going to go to Aunt Bessie's tea rooms. We might have some cocktails. We'll have a lovely meal, and then we're staying over together in a hotel. We're going to have an awesome time, and we frequently do. And sometimes the ladies will come and visit my home, and we don't always get very much crafting done. We have lots of chit chat and share ideas and things like that. Being part of Stampin' Up really is fantastic. It's an awesome opportunity. Whether you just love Stampin' Up products and want to take advantage and get them at a huge, huge discount, and take advantage of the lovely social aspect that my team and I have together, or whether you want to become a mompreneur, which is what I call myself. I've got 2 businesses that are flourishing now, and I've helped and encouraged other ladies, and they too have got flourishing businesses. All started with me and my little dream, and it's turned into them and their dream. So if you're interested in joining Stampin' Up and you really want to join a helpful, friendly team, and I'm not blowing my own trumpet, but I am a very helpful leader. I'm very, very active. I'm not a leader that doesn't answer messages. I'm not a leader that doesn't do training. I absolutely give 110% to my team. So if you're interested and you want somebody to help you grow and help give you direction into building yourself a small business and building your own team, then come on and give me an email or a quick message through Facebook, and we can have a chat. So that's my Stampin' Up news for October. So World Card Making Day. Just to refocus on that, I want to see as many people making cards as possible. Come on over to my Stampin' Up Facebook business page and see what I'm going to be doing over there. I'm going to be posting lots and lots of cards and card ideas. Come on over to the Stampin' for All and Facebook forum. We've got lots and lots of ideas on there. We do card sketches, colour challenges. Other ladies share, other gentlemen share. We have an awesome time. It's lovely, and it's all made possible, and we're all connected through our love of Stampin' Up. So I won't keep you for too long, and I'm sorry I haven't done a face-to-face, but as you can probably tell by my voice, I'm absolutely full of cold. So my sinuses are really poor. My face is swollen. I look like a bit of a monster. So that's what you've got, the lovely catalogue today. So I do apologise, and the next time that I do come and share with you, I promise I'll come on live face to face. So I'll see you soon. Take care, and don't forget about those fantastic offers. So keep an eye on all of my social media, because I'm going to be doing as many offers as I can throughout the whole of the next Stampin' Up year. Whatever I can get away with giving, I'm going to give it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.